Dude, now I going to play with number 100. First, I going to find out the area of square where all sides are made of 100, and then the area of triangle. Here also all sides are 100 units. I going to find out the circumference of circle with radius 100 units. I going to find out the percentage problem, that is 100% of 100% of 100, and at last I going to tell how to make any different combinations of bills to make total $100. Let's start this on and let's find out the area of square. Here square, you can find out the area like this. Area of square equal to a square, where a is the side length, so you can write a equal to, here side length is 100 units, so you can write it as 100, and here a square means it is 100 square. 100 square means you can write it as 100 times of 100. When you multiply two numbers, you can just multiply the first numbers and add up the 0. That is 1 times of 1 is 1, and there are totally 1 2 3 4 4 zeros are there, so put 4 zeros. It is 10,000 square units is the area of this square. And let's find out another one after area, that is a perimeter. Here you can put perimeter equal to 4a. Here also a is the side length, which is equal to 100 units. 4 times of sides going to make boundary length, which is known as perimeter. So you can write it as 4 times of 100, it's going to become 400. It is perimeter equal to 400 units. And let's find out, here they have given equilateral triangle, means triangle where all sides are equal. Here it is equal to 100 units. Here also perimeter equal to 3a. A means side length, which is 100 units, so 3 times of 100, 1, 2, 3 makes complete boundary length. So it is 3 times of 100. 3 times of 100 is 300. So 300 just units is the perimeter or the boundary length. Let's find out the area. Area equal to, you can write it as root 3 by 4 a square. Here the same area means the complete area, it going to swap between them. Here root 3 by 4, you can write it as 100 square. 100 square means 100 times of 100. You can write it as root 3 by 4 times of 100 times of 100. Now you can divide by 4 for 1 times this 100, divided for 2 times 8, 2 remains again, 4 5 times 20, and you're going to get 25 times of 100. 2500 times of root 3, you can write in front, it is square units. Since it is area, you're going to get 2500 root 3 square units. And now I'm going to tell about the circle, how to find the area and perimeter. Here they have given 100, it is known as the radius, so you can write radius equal to 100 units. Now perimeter means boundary length is also known as circumference. It can be written as 2 pi r. Pi is a constant, you can substitute if you want as 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now let's remain it as pi itself. You're going to get 2 times of pi times of radius is 100 units. Here all of them multiply, if nothing is joined numbers means 2 times of 100 means 200 pi units. That is the circumference of the circle. Let's find out the area of circle. Area equal to pi r square. Here r is same radius and pi is same constant, so you're going to get it as pi times of 100 square. 100 square, as I actually told in different problems, equal to 100 times of 100, which is 10,000. 4 zeros remain, 10,000 by, here it is, square units. Now I'm going to tell how to do about the percentage problem. Here they have given 100% of 100% of 100. Now you can write this as equal to 100% means it is 100 by 100, of means multiplying, and again 100% means 100 by 100, and again of means multiplied by just 100. Anything if you do percent, you are dividing it by 100, and here also same way, here percent is there so divide by 100, here also percent is there so divide by 100. Now these two zeros cancel with these two zeros, these two zeros cancel with these two zeros, and it's completely equal to just 100. Next problem, I going to tell how to make any bills with $100. Before that, we must find out how we can write 100 in different ways. 100, you can write it as equal to 1 times of 100, and that's just one way. Another way of writing is 2 times of 50, because 2 times of 50 going to become 100, and you can write it as 5 times of 20, 5 times of 2 is 10, and 5 times of 0 remains. So 5 times of 20 also becomes 100, and you can write in a reverse way, that is 10 times of 10, you also going to get 100, and the reverse way of this, you can write it as 20 times of 5, which is also going to become 100. Here we can write in another way, that is 25 times of 4, and the reverse of that way, which is 4 times of 25, that also makes 100. Another way of 100 is this one, that is 50 times of 2, that is opposite of this way, and opposite of first way, which is 100 times of 1. We don't have $25 bills, so we take out these two and write all of them in those way of making $100. To make $100, you can take 100 $1 bills, which is equal to how much $1 bills. You can take 100 $1 bills, or you can take 50 $2 bills, that is $2 bills of 50, that also going to make 100. Or you can take $5 bills 20, that is, let's take $5 bills, which is 20 times $25 bills going to make 100. Or you can take 10 bills, that is like this, $10 bills as 10 times 10 $10 bills make $100. And another way is $20 bills 5. You can take $20 bills, which are just 5 bills. If you take off $20, it's going to make $100. And in another way, $50 two bills, if you can take $50, just two bills, it's going to make $100. And at the last, just one bill of $100, just one bill of $100 going to make 100. These are different ways you can make with $100. And do you know how to prime factorize 100? Now I going to tell. If you take 100, you can write it as many factors like this. Let's take all prime numbers here, 2 3 5 7 11. First start by 2, so you can divide 2, can divide 100, 2 5 times 10, 0 remains. Again 0 is there, it is even number, so you can again take 2, you can write it as 25. Now 2 cannot divide it, it is odd. 3 also cannot divide it, but 5 can divide us, 5 times of 5. This prime factorization is completely different from writing as product of two numbers. So you can write 100 as equal to 2 times of 2 times of 5 times of 5. Now this equal to 2 times of 2 equal to 2 square, and 5 times of 5 equal to 5 square. So this is the prime factor of 100. I going to do another one problem, which is 100 power of 100, and how to find its value. 100 power of 100 means you're going to multiply 100 times of 100 times of 100 like this until you're going to get totally this one. This thing is equal to totally 100 numbers. 100 numbers you're going to divide 100 times. So 100 times of 100 times of 100 like this 100 times. So you're going to get it is there are two zeros. 100 times two zeros which can be equal to 200 zeros. You're going to get like this number which going to have 200 zeros. That is very big number. Bye.